Not so fast, 2 humans, 1 boat, endless chaos.
So hatch cover is a little bit soft, so that'll have to be replaced, and a little bit soft here, but other than that, that doesn't look that bad. I'm sure when Jim gets here and has a look, he'll tell me better, but in my opinion, that's not too bad. What's underneath that, I don't know, and I'm not even going to attempt to look because I wouldn't know even if I looked. But yeah, so maybe the next video will be Jim explaining a bit more. Jim comes home from work and makes even more bloody mess. You have to show him how to use his own power thing.
Okay, don't know how well you can see me because it's dark. If I do that, obviously it's dark. So tonight's job, or today's deliveries, we've had 1 set of glow plugs, we've got 16 amp to 13 amp adapters both ways, and new inverter. We'll have a look at that in a minute. First job for today, going to start nice and easy. First job for today is this window. You see, pop rivets are gone, so I need to fix this before that glass falls out. Well, it shouldn't fall out, but I need to get that done. So them two there, that one's gone there. In fact, I'll do all 4 of them. That's gone as well. I need to do the whole lot, so that's what I'm going to do. We'll do all them. I need to sort more lights out, and these don't work, which isn't ideal. It is what it is. That one. That's it. One. So, all new pop rivets in. We've had 2 put in there, but we haven't here, but it moves, so 2 more pop rivets. Seems like a good idea. That's it. So we are all popper. Well, so rudely interrupted. That's all the plop riveting done. Put some water back in these brushes. There we go. Yeah, that's the pop riveting done for now. I'm sure there'll be more, but that window is now secure. So, next job, let's have a look at this inverter. Alright, we'll go back to where the light is. Try not to trip up on this floor. This is my own fault, I pulled it all up. So, if I do this right, this should be like an unboxing video. Let's see what I can do. So my inverter, or our inverter, blew up, popped. So I was looking, and I don't know a lot of stuff about electrics. I know the basics, that's about it. But there's Victron and there's EcoFlow and there's all them, but they're all expensive and we needed a budget option. Originally we had a 3000 watt inverter. But I have bought the EcoWorthy 12 volt 2000 watt. I'm pointing to it, you can't see it. You can't see it when I'm pointing to it, can you? There you go. EcoWorthy 12 volt 2000 watt. I figured 2000 watts should be enough because we've got the power station as well. So open it up, see what we've got. He says you can't even go into a box. Okay, so we have a decent amount of packaging, that's always good. Ethernet cable, internet cable thing. I think that might be because we've got a controller, so it might be for the controller. That over there. We've got cables and a fuse, big fuse, which is useful because I might be able to wire that into the existing wiring, so that would be nice. That would make it easier. Earth lead, connections and screws, and then the main bit of kit. Instruction manual. Do we read instructions? I suppose we should read instructions. Recommended combinations. 2000 watt inverter can only be paired to 12 volt batteries, minimum capacity of 200 amp hours. We've got 480. Battery connections. Connect the red wire to the battery plus, black wire to the battery negative. The other end, connect the red wire to the battery's positive terminal, black wire to the negative terminal. AC output, ground wire connections. 2 socket type output, simple plug-in use. Wire connection output, connect the live, provide live wire. So instead of having to use plugs, I can hardwire it into the unit. 240 volt. And that cable is for the controller, remote control. So that's it. Off-grid inverter. Looks pretty cool. I would say it feels sturdy, but you know, I don't know what's what. But we shall get it fitted. And I'll show you in a bit when it's done.